Are you looking to enhance your selfies? Today, we're comparing three popular apps: Facetune, Faceapp, and Persona. Each of these tools helps you edit photos, but they have different features and styles. Facetune is all about perfecting your selfies. It allows you to smooth skin, whiten teeth, and even reshape facial features. It's great for those who want to look their best in every picture. With its user friendly interface, you can make quick edits without any hassle. On the other hand, FaceApp takes a different approach. It uses advanced AI to transform your photos. You can age yourself, change your hairstyle, or even swap genders. It's fun and creative, perfect for those who want to play around with their looks and see different versions of themselves. Now, let's talk about what sets them apart. Facetune focuses on enhancing your existing features, while FaceApp offers more dramatic changes. Persona is another player in this space. It's designed to create personalized avatars and cartoon like versions of yourself. This app is perfect for those who enjoy a playful twist on their images. When comparing features, Facetune excels in retouching and fine tuning. FaceApp shines with its AI transformations and fun filters. Persona stands out with its unique avatar creation, making it a favorite for social media profiles. In terms of pricing, Facetune and FaceApp usually offer subscriptions, while Persona might have a one time purchase option. It's best to check their websites for the latest details. So, which app should you choose? If you want to enhance your selfies, go for Facetune. If you like experimenting with your looks, FaceApp is the way to go. And if you want to create a fun avatar, Persona is perfect for you. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.